Farm TV.
Woo!
Oh yeah. I am Emperor Zhao. Bow down before me.
I'm Farmer Frank.
Me, caveman.
Welcome to Farm News. This week we're going to explore life on the farm. Let's see what our lovely reporter Cindy is doing today at the farm.
Well, hello, I'm Cindy Celery. Welcome to the farm today. We here have a group of hunters and gatherers. Let's check in with them. Hey, you over there. Come talk to me.
Me?
Yes. What are you doing here today?
Well, we're here doing our normal routine of hunting for food each night. You see, we must go every meal to find food. Kind of exhausting, but we memorize where the good stuff is. Yeah, dude, we found that if we share and bargain, we have double the benefits and help each other out. It's great.
That is way fantastic. But what if I were to tell you that we could make your life a whole lot better?
Like what?
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Whoa.
Is this a gift from the gods?
No, this is a modern pleasure.
Whoa.
Foodland is a place where you can find all the food you're hunting for in one place. No need for searching for it.
Farm TV. Oh yeah. Welcome back.
Here today, we have a group of modern day farmers. Not sure what they're doing yet. Shh. Let's observe them work and see what we can gather.
Me, do plenty gathering. Oh.
Shh. Let's take a closer look.
Grow, little onions, grow! Grow, little onions, grow!
Dude, we should grow some corns, bro.
Yes, but there's already plenty of corn in our country. Actually, the majority of all our food have corn in it. We'll just stick with onions. Once our onions grow, we can trade them with other farmers. Well, our country specializes in corn. With specialization, trade becomes important as farmers become interdependent, one with each other.
Why does that matter?
Well, you see, specialization is a more effective way of farming because you only have one type of crop to worry about. You can grow more of it. With the amount you grow, you can then sell or trade the portion you don't need to other people. In this way, specialization is the first step to industrialization.
Thank you, Mr. Farmer. And now we're going to look at another group of farmers. This time, however, they are practicing traditional Aztec methods of farming.
Okay, all our crops are planted. And now the sacrifice.
What?
Yes, if we want our crops to prosper, we must make a sacrifice to the gods. It is only by sacrifice that the gods will smile upon us. Only the best and most noble of vegetables are worthy to be sacrificed.
No, no, no.
Wahi,
Oh,
wahoo,
no.
wahi,
Oh,
wahoo,
no. Oh.
It's an honor, brother, to be sacrificed.
Whoa. That was interesting. What do you think, farmer?
Well, well, sacrificing to the gods was seen as a way of appeasing the gods. It was only by blood sacrifice that they would be able to prosper.
Thanks for watching.
Do-do-do-do-do.
Farm TV. Oh yeah. We are back. Time to check with Cindy.
Hey, it's Cindy. We're back at the farm, and looks like they're holding an election.
Come on, man. You'd be a great emperor, dude.
No, I couldn't. Stop it.
Please, you'd like rule the world.
Well, okay, fine. I'll do it. To help our country run better, we need trust. We need obedience. Obey me, you carrots. Left hand behind your back.
I don't even have a left hand.
Speaking out of turn. To the kitchen.
Please, Emperor, please. Anything but the kitchen. I will do anything.
You have brought shame to your family. The only way to restore your honor is to sacrifice yourself.
But I must carry on my father's legacy by being the most orange carrot.
You no longer have a choice. By following my order, you will carry on your father's honor. You with the hair, take the prisoner to the kitchen.
What a shame. That poor little carrot didn't seem like he had no chance.
It's the only way people know to respect their elders and make their country and family proud.
That's the end of our story. We hope you enjoyed this season's farming. Till next time.
What I have. Oh! I can't do it. Behind the scenes, what really happens.
What's the news channel noise you put on?
On TV.
I couldn't understand that. OMG!
I don't like news channel stuff. It's like today.
I'm sorry. It's only so
Man is Jack.
Okay, that's a sound. Okay. Alright, we got it. Okay. Are you sucking? Okay. Yeah. That's so gross. I know. I'm just sucking corny. That's great. I do just ooh, baby, ooh, baby.
Respect their elders.